Hello, Princess Brecken.
Hi.
What do you have on your feet?
A princess shoe.
Yeah? And do you like your princess shoes?
Yeah.
They're really pretty.
Yeah.
You look beautiful, Princess Brecken.
Yeah.
What are you going to do now, Princess Brecken?
And dancing.
You're gonna dance?
That princess shoe is pretty. And not dancing. Stop.
You stopped dancing?
Yeah. Stop walking. Oh, sorry, Mom.
Oh, did your princess shoe fall off?
It's no fall off. It's no.
They're perfect?
It's
Yeah, are you pretty? Is that what you're saying? That you're pretty? Yeah. What are you doing, Brecken?
I forgot. I forgot. Whoa.
Say cheese for the camera.
See?
Cheese, Princess Brecken.